Hello everyone. Today we are with the topic of agreement of the verb with the subject. In this topic we shall study the correct uses of verb while speaking and writing. So let's start with the rules. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. Means to say, if the subject is in singular number, verb should be of singular number. If the subject is in plural number, verb should be in plural number. But sometimes the subject seems to us singular number, but actually it's plural number. And sometimes it seems to us plural number, but actually it is singular number. So we have to understand the rules of using the verb correctly. So here, if the subject is in singular number, the verb will be in plural. As example, early bird catches the worm. Early bird is one. So for the word catch, we shall use s or es for the singular number. So here the verb will be catches. So early bird catches the worm. Same as if the subject is in plural number, we will use the verb according. Suppose they, we, you is also considered as plural. So with the verb like play, swim, whatever we use, we shall not add s or es in it. Here is one example, they play football. But if it is one like he or she, then we shall use she plays football or he plays football. Okay. Now rule number 1 is two or more singular nouns or pronouns joined by and require a plural verb. As he and I were playing. He and I are two. So we shall use the plural verb, that is were. Second is gold and silver are precious metals. Gold and silver. There are two things. One is gold, another is silver. So we shall use the verb of plural are. Fire and water do not agree. Fire and water, there are two things. So we shall use do, not does. Does we shall use for one and do for many. So fire and water do not agree. Next is Aslam and Riyaz. These are two people, two persons, two students. So this will be in verb will be in plural. Aslam and Riyaz are my brothers. But if the noun suggests one idea to the mind or refer to the same person or thing, the verb is singular. As time and tide, wait for none. Time and tide, both things are one. So verb will be of singular number. Singular number, in singular number we use s or es. So wait will be wait. Time and tide, wait for none. Number 2 is bread and butter is his only food. Bread and butter are staple food. Both are staple food. So this is considered one. So here the verb will be of singular number. So the sentence will be bread and butter is his only food. Next is honor and glory is his reward. Honor and glory, both the things go hand in hand. So verb will be of singular number. My friend and benefactor has come. Both the persons are same. My friend is my benefactor. So my friend and the benefactor, there will be the verb of singular number. So it is has. My friend and benefactor has come. In this way, if the verb sentence looks of plural number, but the verb will be of singular number. Rule number 2 is words joined to a singular subject by with or as well as are parenthetical. The verb should therefore be put in the singular number. First sentence here is, justice as well as mercy allows it. Justice as well as mercy. Both things are together. Justice as well as mercy. This is considered one. So here the verb will be of singular number. Number 2 is, Sanskrit as well as Arabic was taught there. 1. Number 3. The guidance as well as the love of his mother was wanting. So here will be the verb of singular. Number 4. The ship with his crew is on the shore. Ship. There is one ship only. After that there is crew. So the verb will be in singular number, that is. The ship with his crew is on the shore is the correct sentence. Now next rule is, two or more singular subjects connected by or nor require a singular verb. Means if two things are there, either this or this, thing will remain one, and in nor, neither this nor this, the thing will remain one. So the verb will be of singular number. Examples are, no nook or corner was left unexplored. Either the cat or the dog has been there. Neither praise nor blame seems to affect him. Next is, our happiness or our sorrow is largely due to our own actions. These are the correct uses of or and nor with the verb. But when one of the subjects joined by or nor is plural, the verb must be plural. Suppose, neither I nor my friends. So friends are many, so verb will be plural number. And the plural subject should be placed nearest the verb. Neither I nor my friends. Friends are. Verb will be of plural number and it is nearest to the verb. Here the examples are, neither the chairman nor the directors are present in the hall. Second sentence is, neither the teacher nor the students are singing the song. When the subjects joined by or nor are of different persons, the verb agrees with the nearer. Either he or I am mistaken. I is nearer to the verb, so verb will be according to I, that is am. Second is, either you or he is mistaken. He is one nearer to the verb, so verb will be of singular number. Number 3 is, neither you nor he is to blame. Here the verb is of singular number. Neither my friend nor I am to blame. I is nearer to the verb, so it will be am. But it is better to avoid these constructions because these are not much polite. We should be very polite and fluent in speaking, and somebody might not hurt. So we should avoid these constructions and to write that he is mistaken or else I am. Okay. You are mistaken or else he is. He is not to blame nor are you. My friend is not to blame nor am I. This is the correct way of speaking. Either this or this is one. Neither this nor this is one. Each refers to one. Everyone refers to one. Many are refers to one. So either, neither, each, everyone, many are must be followed by a singular verb. Here examples are: neither of the two men was very strong. Next is many a man has done so. Next is each of these substances is found in India. And fourth one is he asked me whether either of the applicant was suitable. So either, neither, each, everyone, many are denotes to one person. So verb will be of singular number. Two nouns qualified by each or every, even though connected by and, require a singular verb. Means example is every boy and every girl was given a packet of sweets. For every girl and every boy, verb will be of singular number. Some nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning. Take a singular verb. Some nouns look plural but they are singular. Generally we see that S means boy to boys, S adding S means plural number. But everywhere adding S in the noun or the subject does not matter, that the word is of plural number. Like politics, civics, ends with S, but S here does not mean for plural number. News, politics, mathematics, ends with S, but here S does not mean plural number. So verb will be of singular number. For example, the news is true. The wages of sin is death. Politics was with him the business of his life. Mathematics is a branch of study in every school. Now, the next rule is pains and means take either the singular or the plural verb, but the construction must be consistent, as great pains have been taken, plural verb. Much pains has been taken, singular verb. All possible means have been tried, plural keyword. The means employed by you is sufficient, verb of singular. In the sense of income, the word means always takes a plural verb, as his means are ample. His means were much reduced owing to that heavy loss. Some nouns which are singular in form but plural in meaning take a plural verb, as according to the present market rate, 12 dozen cost 100 rupees. None, though properly singular, commonly takes a plural verb, as none are so deaf as those who will not hear. Cows are amongst the gentlest of breathing creatures. None show more passionate tenderness to their young. A collective noun takes a singular verb when the collection is thought of as one whole. Plural verb when the individuals of which it is composed are thought of, as the committee has issued its report. Committee is one, though it is a group of many people, but it is collective noun considered one. So there is verb of singular number. The committee are divided because it is divided into many parts, so it is many means plural number, so there the verb will be of plural number, that is are. the committee are divided on one minor point. But collective nouns, we must be consistent. Thus we should say the committee has appended a note to its report, not their report. When the plural noun is a proper name for some single object or some collective unit, it must be followed by a singular verb, as Arabian Nights. The Arabian Nights is still a great favorite. Arabian Nights as does not mean for plural number. The United States has a big navy. States, the S does not matter for plural number. Next is Gulliver's Travels was written by Swift. Plutarch's Life is an interesting book. In this way, there are many rules discussed to use the verb correctly with the subject, either it is singular number or either it is plural number. Sometimes maybe error of proximity, we think that it is singular number but that is considered plural number. So we have to follow the rules. When a plural noun denotes some specific quantity or amount considered as a whole, the verb is generally singular. As 15 minutes is allowed to each speaker. 15 minutes is a wholesome quantity, so verb will be used of singular. Next is 10 kilometers is a long walk. 10 kilometers is wholesome quantity, specific amount and quantity, so the verb will be of singular number. Same as 50,000 rupees is a large sum. 3 parts of the business is left for me to do. In this way, there are many rules discussed in this. To make correct use of verb, speak and write correctly. Here are some exercises that you should read and follow the instructions given to you. Here the instructions are: choose the correct word and underline. You need to read this exercise and think that what the rule says, either singular number or plural number of verbs, and check your answers in the answer box given below. Here the next exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct uses of verb. So read the sentences and think that either the verb goes with the singular number or with the plural number. Revise the rules and write the answer in the blank. And you can check your answer in the answer check given below. Thank you very much for being with us. Stay connected and stay tuned. Be with us and watching our videos again and again. Share and comment as well. Thank you.